Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the class students. Today we are here to solve the concept sheet of class 8th biology, that is health and hygiene and first aid. Here we will explain it. So first question is fill in the blanks. First question is a nutritional disorder caused due to deficiency of iodine, that is called the goiter. Here you will fill goiter. A common term used for the medicines which bring the fever of the body down, that is antipyretic. Third one is malaria is caused by the female anopheles mosquito, and when a child is getting diet poor in protein, it results the disease that is called the kwashiorkor. So here you will fill the kwashiorkor. Now tobacco contains a harmful substance, and that is nicotine. Hypersensitivity of an individual to a substance, here that is called, here hypersensitivity, that is called, so it is called the, here next one, it is called the allergy. Okay, it is caused due to the allergens. Allergy is caused due to the allergens. And plague, it is caused by the bacteria, so it is bacterial transmitted disease, and that is Yersinia bacteria, and its vector is here, it is caused by the bite of a rat. Here you will write the rat. Ringworm, that is disease caused by the, here fungus. Here you will fill the fungus. A vector is that which transfer the disease. Okay, so that organism which transfer the disease. Next one, the patients with renal failure are advised to dialysis. Here give the scientific terms for the following: a diet which all the nutrients, here this one is a diet which contains all the nutrients in equal proportions to right amount, that is called the balanced diet. Here you will write the balanced diet. The disease which are inherited from parent to their grandparents, here the disease which are inherited from parents or grandparents, that are inherited diseases. Here next one is the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B, here vitamin D, that is rickets. The people who carry germs, okay, the people who carry the germs, so that is here lack of RBC in the blood, that is causes the, that, yeah, or that is called the anemia. A disease in which joints become inflated and swollen. A disease causing agent which lacks a cellular organization and being a reproduce only inside a host like virus, and nutrients like vitamins and minerals which are needed to prevent the body from suffering from disorderedness. Here next one, a condition where walls of arteries become brittle by hardness and thickening. You will give all these answers by yourself with the help of books. And the conditions when normal functioning of the body is disturbed, about these you will give answers by yourself. Next one is name the food which you will recommend to a person suffering from beriberi. If anyone is suffering from beriberi, that means he have need of vitamin B, and in case of goiter he have need of iodine, and in anemia have need of iron, and night blindness he have need of vitamin A. Now marasmus, that is protein and carbohydrate deficiency disease. Your next one is the from the list diseases given below, you will categorize the diseases that given are bacterial, viral or fungal diseases like cholera, plague, malaria, amoebic dysentery. You know that this one is protozoan disease. This dengue, that is here, it is viral disease. Yellow fever, rabies, viral disease. Here chicken pox, viral disease. Ringworm, that is fungal disease. So you will categorize that which one is viral, which one is bacterial, and which one is protozoan and fungal diseases. Now next one is the match the following. Here like proteins, that due to the deficiency of protein kwashiorkor is causes. And here this one is the pancreas, that secrete the insulin enzymes, so you will join it with the insulin enzyme, like that. Here typhoid, that is caused due to the salmonella typhi, a bacterial disease. And here next one is Immunity, you will joint it. And malaria, that is viral disease. Here all of these you will joint. Now next one is AIDS, that is caused due to the HIV virus, like that you will joint it. And here next one is arthritis, that is bone joint pain, that is arthritis. Here like that you will match these things with their uh, correct columns. Next one is define the terms given vaccination, so you will give the explanation of the vaccination, immunization, fracture and first aid with the help of your books. This explanation has been completed. I hope that you have understood it well and you will complete it. Thank you everyone.